Welcome back to Monday Morning Music, the world's most universal language. Some of us enjoy weed to settle our minds, and some of us need music. It's like the biggest buzz to our ears. Music judges nobody. We have the hardcore hippie rock fans, the deep southern redneck country fans, or even your parents and grandparents, the boomers 60s and 70s music fans, and even today, rap fans. Music judges no one, and in music's eyes, we're all the same. Music has the ability to mix all different types of people from all different backgrounds, ethnicities, and religions, such as the world's largest festivals, like Coachella and Woodstock, which attract millions of people throughout the entire world. Or some countries have more local festivals, such as Afro Nation or La Palooza. We can even localize it to Memphis, who has the Beale Street Music Festival, which attracts artists of all different genres from all over the world and people from all over the world in all different backgrounds together to enjoy one of the greatest things on earth, music. Memphis has been home to some of the biggest artists in the world, from Elvis Presley and Johnny Cash and even 3 6 Mafia. Top artists such as B.B. King and Ike Turner from the blues era really helped revolutionize music and expand it. They use their stories and struggles to help people overcome through the power of music. Top artists now, such as Young Dolph, who may just seem like a rapper in some people's eyes, helped other people by giving back to their community and really helped inspiring people, and more artists, such as today, Memphis' own MLE Chopper. So no matter whether you're on a late night drive through the mountains or even just in your own city, hosting a party with a bunch of friends, or even for your whole high school, or even taking your crush back to your room, if you know what I mean, there's always music for everyone, every mood. Music truly is the world's most universal language.